Boom. So today we're going to be reviewing the T-Motor F40 Pro V2 2600 kV. Now usually when I start my videos I start with the GoPro footage of me doing some stupid trick or something. However, this time it's a little bit different, and I don't know if you can kind of already see that this quad is kind of jacked up, but yeah. Second lipo crashed into a branch crashed into me, and I lost my GoPro and I lost the quad, but I found the quad after like an hour, and then after 3 hours I just gave up looking for the GoPro. However, I do have the DVR footage, and I'll go back again tomorrow and look for the GoPro. Now let's talk about these motors. Now these motors are basically premium motors. They cost as premium motors would cost, and do they perform? They perform hella good, like really good. Like it's really noticeable than just an average motor. Now the thing is, I don't know about durability, but I basically fell out of the sky. I wasn't going full throttle. It just fell out of the sky with its own weight onto grass and dirt. And yeah, it just got ruined basically. Not the frame, nothing else except the motor. So I have this motor still fine. This one bent shaft. This one I think is still good. And this one, can you see that? That thing is bent right there. So let's see if we can focus on that guy right there. There we go. Check this out. You see that? It's not going to go down. You have to rebend it. I mean, it's probably totally fine if we could fix it here. It still spins, so that's very nice to see. But, you know, I mean, it held together. So, can we bend it back? Yeah, I think we can. I don't know what aluminum they're using. These are the F40 Pro 2 V2, basically 2600 kV. They're very nice motors. They feel absolutely spectacular in the air. But you know, I only used 2 lipos and lost my GoPro, so I'm kind of falling back into the same issues that I used to have with T-Motor about durability problems. And but you know, I still don't understand something. How did these two break? It's these two motors that broke. These two are totally fine. Usually be the front 2, side 2, but not like this. I don't understand what the hell happened here. But yeah, it was pretty terrible. So kind of down that I lost the GoPro, but that's not the point. Anyways, they performed very good from the 2 lipos that I've used. Maybe I'll pick up some more and do some more testing, but I could tell you they perform like a premium motor would perform, or you would expect a premium motor to perform. So in that perspective, it's well worth your money. Now, in durability wise, I don't know. I really don't know. You guys have to decide that for yourself. But for me, for it, just like I didn't hit the ground full throttle. You know, I hit the tree, I disarmed, and it just started falling. You know, like free falling with its own weight and its own speed, and then broke those 2 motors. So I really don't understand. Maybe this one broke from the branch, but I doubt it. Maybe that one too. No, I don't think that one probably when it fell. But yeah, overall the motors were good. I'm gonna leave you guys with the DVR footage. Maybe you can get an idea. But once I find the GoPro, I'm gonna go look for it tomorrow. Once I find it, I'll upload the HD footage separate so you guys can see it for yourself and then decide for yourself basically. But overall, you know, other than that, this whole quadcopter is a beast other than the motors. Right now I'm going to go ahead and stick on F60s, I think Pro V2s that are 2350 kV. So that'll be our next setup hopefully. And if I do break those and break something, then this quad is cursed, or just T-Motor is fucking up for me again. But nah, highly doubt it. It was just my own stupid mistake. That branch just came out of nowhere. And yeah, it was pretty bad. And well, that's really it, guys. That's really going to conclude it for this video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I really hope someone found it somewhat useful. But all I can tell you from this, if you do buy these motors, you are getting premium performance. And this is not a light setup. This is a pretty heavy quad, and I was having a blast. I was literally having a blast. I also have my ESC testing quad with the fly color ESCs, the best budget ESCs that Dronemesh keeps talking about. I put them on with some Emax 2306 in a Sky Zone and the iFly XL5 frame. That'll be, well, it was supposed to be tomorrow's video, but I didn't even fly. I kind of just like stopped flying after I lost the GoPro. I'm looking for the GoPro. I just gave up and went home. But overall, these motors are good. Durability, you decide for yourself. For me, they weren't that durable. And that's going to conclude it for this video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time. See you guys. Take care.
Animals.